Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Whitestone Point, a peaceful community along the Saginaw Bay in Michigan. This area is known for its scenic waterfront, boating, and beautiful views of the bay. The history of Whitestone Point goes back to the early 1800s, when settlers and traders began using the shoreline for fishing and transport. The name Whitestone Point comes from the light-colored limestone rocks that line the shore, which made the area easily recognizable. Over time, the community grew into a small place for families and visitors who enjoy the outdoors. Fishing, boating, and relaxing by the water have always been central to life here. Today, the area maintains its small-town charm while offering opportunities for outdoor recreation and nature observation. Whether you're here to explore the shoreline, enjoy a quiet getaway, or take in the views, Whitestone Point offers a serene Michigan experience. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Whitestone Point, Michigan.
Thanks for watching!